Welcome to Latitude Lady. This spacious vessel has been custom built and fitted out to meet the needs of the holidaying charterer. Latitude Lady is easy to handle from the modern helm. All controls lead back to the wheel, making it a joy to sail. For a vessel of her size, she has plenty of comforts. Practical features like the huge fridges and stainless bench tops all benefit the charterer whilst cruising the Whitsundays. She is a sought-after member of our fleet. She has 3 spacious cabins. The 2 forward are queens, both with ensuites. The aft is a double cabin with a separate full-size bathroom. There are well-positioned hatches that provide excellent airflow throughout the boat. Latitude Lady is perfect for 2 or 3 couples, or a family looking for plenty of comfort. Ideal for you to explore the Whitsunday Islands.